Third one, write a Python program to calculate the factorial of a number using multiple threads. Okay, first program we have created threads from single function. Second program for multiple functions we have created that. Third program we are creating a threads for multiple functions and also parameters. Okay, we are taking parameters here, simple one. You know how to calculate factorial number. Okay, if suppose number is 5, is the factorial of 5 is 120 here. Okay, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, decreasing order. Okay, so we have, if you practice earlier exercise, you know how to write program for the factorial of a number. Here you have to write a factorial function and apply threading for this factorial. Okay, simple. Import threading here, factorial code here, how to calculate the factorial number. Result equal to 1 for I in range 1 comma n plus 1, n taken from the keyboard number. Okay, result into I, return result here. Okay, and factorial function here, another, and here calculating factorial threading current thread name. If you want to know the current thread name here current thread name. Okay, factorial of n result here. Okay, we are passing arguments here. Observe here. Okay, this program passing an arguments here. If you want to apply factorial to this function, calculate factorial, this target equal to calculate factorial and arguments equal to n here. Okay, and comma you have to write it. N means number we are passing here, arguments you are passing here. Okay, so we are applying two threads to this factorial function, and we are starting thread and joining the thread here. Just execute it. Enter the factorial number 5. See, calculate 5 is in thread calculate factorial of 5 is 120 in thread 1 and is 120 here. Okay, in thread 1 after finishing thread 1 only it starts thread 2 here. Observe here, after finishing thread 1 only it starts thread 2. Thread 1 dot join waits until thread 1 dot start to finish here. Okay, join method will wait until thread 1 dot start. Okay, here start method is there, we'll wait for thread to complete this thread here. Okay, after finishing this thread 1 only thread 2 here perform thread 2 function start method here. So that's it. See, first one thread 1 and second one is a thread 2 here. Observe. Okay.